Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to prepare with you guys sweet potato fries. You may call it the healthy version of french fries. So guys, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So guys, I'll start by peeling off these sweet potatoes, and just to mention, I'll be using the coconut oil, pure coconut oil, to fry these sweet potatoes, and also I'll be adding some small salt to the sweet potatoes. So let's start by peeling the potatoes and then chopping them. So let's get into it, guys. Hello guys, so I'm done peeling the sweet potatoes. So oh my gosh, just make sure when peeling the sweet potatoes the your knife is really sharp, because I almost cut myself, guys. So they are really hard to cut, so just be careful when peeling them and cutting them in between. So guys, as you can see, I'm done chopping these sweet potatoes. So I'm ready to put this in a pan and let it boil for like about 5 minutes, and then it will be time to fry them. So let's boil them for about 5 minutes. So guys, just to let you know, make sure to use a large frying pan so that the sweet potatoes will not be so crowded in there. So guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water so that I can let it cook for about maybe 5 minutes, and I'll be ready to fry them. So I'm adding like a cup of water, like that. So guys, I've just added like a cup of water, so I'm going to cover this up and let it cool. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. So guys, I've been cooking this for about a minute, and you can tell they are starting to turn brown. So guys, it has been about 2 minutes, and I can really tell they've become so tender. As you can see, my spoon can easily get through them. So probably cook for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and not 5 minutes. So guys, I've just added some coconut oil. I'm just going to let them cook, to let them fry. So guys, there you have it. As you can see, they are still cooking. It's been about 5 minutes, and I've been flipping them so that they can cook on both sides. So I'm just letting them cook for another 2 minutes, and I'll be ready to serve them. So guys, I think I'm ready to serve them. It's been about, again, 2 minutes, and they are looking good. I can't wait to dig in, guys. Hello guys, so there you have it, and I can't wait to to share them with the guests that I'm having. But I didn't add, just to let you know, I didn't add any salt, just because I love them being sweet as they are. So guys, this sweet potato fries are really good for if you're wanting to lose weight, and instead of taking the french fries, you can prepare yourself this version of the healthy sweet potato fries. So guys, thank you so much for joining me as I prepare my sweet potato fries, and comment down below if you tried these recipes. So until next time, see you guys.